As a pet owner, I know the struggle is real when it comes to keeping up with pet hair and maintaining a clean, allergen-free home. Between the constant shedding, muddy paw prints, and surprise accidents, our furry companions can leave their mark in more ways than one. That's why I was excited to try the BISSELL MultiClean Allergen Rewind Pet Vacuum, designed specifically with pet parents in mind. Here's a breakdown of this vacuum's features and how they performed in my real-life pet-filled home. Lightweight design with powerful suction. The first thing that impressed me was the weight. This vacuum is surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around furniture and navigate stairs. This is a major plus for anyone who reads lugging around a bulky vacuum cleaner. However, despite its light build, the suction power is impressive. It easily picked up pet hair, dirt, and debris from carpets, hard floors, and even furniture. Farewell, furry frustration. The Tangle-Free Brush Roll. One of the most frustrating aspects of vacuuming, especially with pets, is dealing with hair getting wrapped around the brush roll. The BISSELL MultiClean boasts a tangle-free brush roll, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. No more stopping every 5 minutes to untangle a hair monster. This feature not only saves time but also reduces frustration, making cleaning a less tedious chore. Keeping allergies at bay. The HEPA-sealed allergen system. For pet owners with allergies, pet dander and dust can be a real concern. The BISSELL MultiClean features a HEPA-sealed allergen system, which claims to capture and trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum. While I can't scientifically verify the effectiveness of the HEPA filter, I can say that after using this vacuum for a few weeks, I did notice a decrease in allergy symptoms, especially during peak shedding season. This is a significant benefit for allergy sufferers who share their homes with furry friends. Convenience reigns supreme. Automatic cord rewind and LED headlights. Two features I particularly appreciated were the automatic cord rewind and the LED headlights. The automatic cord rewind is a simple but fantastic convenience. No more manually wrapping the cord around the vacuum cleaner, saving time and frustration. The LED headlights are another thoughtful touch. They illuminate dirt and pet hair, especially in low light conditions or under furniture, ensuring nothing gets missed during your cleaning routine. The final verdict, a solid choice for pet parents. Overall, the BISSELL MultiClean Allergen Rewind Pet Vacuum is a solid choice for pet parents. It's lightweight and maneuverable, with a powerful suction that tackles pet hair effectively. The Tangle-Free Brush Roll eliminates a major frustration point, and the HEPA-sealed allergen system offers a welcome relief for allergy sufferers. The automatic cord rewind and LED headlights add a touch of convenience to the cleaning experience. Here's a quick recap of the pros and cons to help you decide if this vacuum is the right fit for you. Pros: lightweight and maneuverable. Powerful suction for pet hair and debris. Tangle-Free Brush Roll eliminates frustration. HEPA-sealed allergen system helps with allergies. Automatic cord rewind for easy storage. LED headlights illuminate dirt and pet hair. Cons: might not be as powerful as some high-end vacuums. Dirt tank size might be a bit small for large homes. Overall, the BISSELL MultiClean Allergen Rewind Pet Vacuum is a great option for pet owners who are looking for a lightweight, convenient, and allergy-friendly vacuum cleaner. It tackles pet hair effectively and makes cleaning a less tedious chore. While it might not be the most powerful vacuum on the market, it offers a good balance between performance, features, and price point. If you're a pet parent on a budget looking for a reliable vacuum to keep your home clean and allergen-free, the BISSELL MultiClean Allergen Rewind Pet Vacuum is worth considering. Bonus: a company with a heart. An additional perk that warmed my heart is BISSELL's commitment to helping homeless pets. With every purchase of a BISSELL product, a portion of the proceeds goes to the BISSELL Pet Foundation, which works to help save homeless animals. So by cleaning your home with this vacuum, you're not just helping your furry friend, you're potentially helping countless others find loving forever homes. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.